It is third. Oh my gosh, no, it's actually Wednesday. Heading to Costco today and restocking on some of our favorites. I'm trying to do this in like 30 minutes before I go pick up my daughter, because if I bring her to Costco, she like to add extra stuff to the cart. So I am trying to do this and then head to go pick her up after that. The laundry sanitizer and limit 3 eggs. I'm also here to tell you guys that you're not bringing out egg prices. They've actually gone up. For anybody that was wondering, egg prices have gone up. Let's see, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get ribeye because we can freeze some of this. So I'm gonna go and get this. I think that this is all I need to get today. I got all of the main things on my shopping list. I put everything in here I needed. I still will need to go to Kroger to get some other things for like my coffee, but primarily grabbed everything that I needed on my list. I didn't go too crazy in Costco. I also am not going to Costco on the weekend anymore because I heard that y'all was in here in full force. I will be going during the week if possible because y'all not about to ruin Costco for me. Don't come in here acting like Walmart in here. It's Costco. We stand in line and we don't complain. They have self-checking. You'll be all right.